Hello everybody. PiLog has been named in the Magic Quadrants yet again for the second consecutive time for the MDM Solutions, and it is a great honor for PiLog. And in continuing our excellence or striving for excellence in the MDM Solutions, we would like to thank all our customers, all our employees, all our partners who have made us count as part of the Magic Quadrant, and also for their contribution and for their support and for their guidance throughout our journey. And we heartfully thank them in this regard. And we will continue to strive for excellence, be it in the innovation, be it in the operations, be it in the delivery, be it in the solutions, or be it in our support. We will always strive for excellence, and we will make sure that we continue to evolve our MDM solutions with breathtaking, cutting edge technologies powered by the data science and analytics, as a full 360-degree view of the MDM solutions. Thank you.